Archangel Metatron asking you to focus on your highest priorities, and he will help you get organized and motivated. So make sure you organize on your dates, organize also on your workplace, no, and know what you are, so that you could focus on your priority, no. So focus on your highest priorities, and Archangel Metatron will help you get an organized and motivated. So you will be inspired. So at least you have a clear head also. No? Not only clearing your space, but also declutter those things that doesn't need anymore, that's no longer serving you, that will help you to focus on what you need to prioritize. Ayon. And then let's another for angel guidance. Remember who you are, Archangel Michael. You are a powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are